need you in the morning, what I need you now.
Hey friends, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So glad to have you guys here today. As you can see from the title, the thumbnail, the description box, today we're going to be doing a wig unboxing. Honestly, I'm going to be doing a lot more wig unboxings this year on my channel because I just don't understand how it's 2023 and I don't know how to lay a frontal, how I need to lay a frontal. Like I always have trouble, I'm struggling. I'm just like, okay, no. So now I'm going to force myself to learn how to do it. I can do my makeup just fine. It's just my hair is always like playing Russian roulette and usually I always get shot. So to avoid that, I'm going to be doing more frontals, more reviews on my channel. Today we have Miss Gaga here. Before we get into the video, please make sure you are subscribed to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you never miss whenever I do post a video. Now, funny enough, I had already started opening this box, as you can see, and I was like, oh, let me set the camera up and do an unboxing. So yes, like I said, this is by Miss Gaga hair. This is a body wave 13x4 22-inch lace wig. And now when I bought this wig last week, it was $85,000. I was just like, okay, if I'm gonna practice doing hair, I'm not gonna practice on a wig that's like $250 and up. $85,000, I'm like, you cannot beat that. The reviews look nice. I was like, okay, well, let me get it, let me see. And if this is really what it says it is, we done struck gold, ladies. So let me open it and we can see how I feel about it. Where's my... I'm just gonna rip it. I don't know where my scissors are. Now I'm like struggling to open this. 1 second. Okay, so I finally got the box open. When you open the box, this is the wig. And then it comes with this wig cap. They stopped giving lashes and gifts now. Back in the day, they would give you a stocking cap, some lace tint, some eyelashes. But yeah, it's just the wig cap and the wig, which is fine. Now, let me open the wig. Yeah, I'm just all over the place. Okay. So here we have the wig fresh out the package. Like I said, this is supposed to be 22 inches, 13x4. Honestly, just based on the length, this looks like it's a really, really good length. I actually don't have my tape measure on me. Yeah, my niece chewed up my tape measure, so this is what we have. Honestly, just for me looking at it, this definitely looks like it could be 22 inches. This is really, really long, so that's really good in terms of how it feels. Okay. The hair feels really good. It does feel a little bit coarse in a way. I don't know. It feels like it would be what is that? Like kinky straight hair in a way, but as you can see, I'm not having any tingling. I'm not getting any shedding so far, so that's pretty good. Yeah, no shedding so far, and I'm pulling kind of hard. Oops, spoke too soon. I got one strand, but yeah, that's fine. Let's look at the lace. This is how the inside of it looks. Honestly, this lace looks pretty good. I don't know if it said it was pre-plucked, but it definitely does look pre-plucked, at least from what I can see. Yeah, this lace definitely looks like it is pre-plucked. I love the fact that it comes with baby hairs. Oh, okay. I don't know, especially for me being a beginner, I think this would be an easy lace to work with. Let me look at the knots. Yeah, the knots aren't too big. They look like they'll bleach easily. Yeah, it definitely is pre-plucked. This is really, really good. The inside. I really want to try this on, but as you guys can see, I have a wig on my head because sometimes when these wigs come, they are a little bit small for my head. I don't know if I just have a big head or what it is, because I really feel like I don't have a big head. My head is a 22, but sometimes a lot of these wigs, they're pretty small for my head. But this one looks okay, and it kind of does stretch, so that's good. It does have the 3 combs, standard combs, 3 in the front, 1 in the back. Yeah, honestly, so far this wig, honestly, from the looks of it, this wig looks really, really promising. The only thing that I said was that The only thing that I could see would be an issue with this, I don't think it's gonna be as soft, because like I said, it doesn't feel like silky straight. But for $85, can't really expect the world. So I think my next video with this hair, I'm like, do I want to do an installation video and embarrass myself? I might, because I'm gonna embarrass myself today, and by December I'm gonna be arrogant today. So yeah, I think I might come back and give you guys an installation video. But I'm gonna definitely wear this hair for at least like a month, maybe like a month and a half. And like I said, if this hair is good, ladies, we struck gold, because $85 for a 13x4 lace frontal wig, wow, it doesn't get any better than that at all. So yeah, based on my initial reviews, I definitely would pick this hair up. It feels really good, and I love the fact that it's actually 13x4. Like, they're not shortchanging you like some companies would, because I've ordered wigs and they'll just give me like 2 inches here, and then it's just like, that's not what I ordered. But this is what I ordered. But yeah, this is really good so far. And like I said, it feels long, it feels good, it's just a little bit but honestly, I think even though it is coarse, I think if you're someone who wants to curl your hair, the coarseness would really help me. I like my hair to be like bone straight, but that's fine. But yeah, so far this is really good. If you're like me and you want to practice doing your frontals, I definitely would pick this up. The hairline is perfect, it's not too much to pluck. Yeah, I definitely would grab this for someone who is beginning, or just someone who wants like a quick wig, a quick affordable wig. Definitely pick this wig up. So far it feels really good. I definitely would recommend you guys to get this hair based on my unboxing thoughts. So yeah, girls, comment any questions you guys have down below. Any questions, comments, concerns. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Hopefully, like I said, hopefully I'll decide to give you guys a wig update, a wig installation. Depends, because sometimes when I get frustrated when I'm doing those videos, I just cut the cameras off and go to my bed. But yeah, let's see. Hopefully I can stick through it and put the video up for you guys to see. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.